Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in a lot of my recent videos, so many of you noticed that there were a couple of new things that were going around the house. We invested in some new furniture and we got some new stuff to decorate our place, make it look a little different from what it looked like a couple of months back. Honestly, this was a conscious decision and we made it because something was going on in our head for a really long time, and I would like to kind of sit down and share that story with you first before sharing all of this home decor stuff with all of you. Most of the stuff that I've bought is actually from Home Center and I'm sure a lot of you will love it. But before going into that, there's a small story and small experience from my life that I'd like to share with all of you because I think it's important to me and I generally like sharing important stuff with all of you. So in the live video that I did with all of you last month, I mentioned that we are considering moving to a new place, and it was because we felt like this place had become a little small for us and we wanted to kind of move to a bigger house, a place where there was enough place to keep all of our stuff and things like that. And with that we started looking around for a new place. We looked at almost 15 to 20 houses in Bangalore. A lot of them were really beautiful ones as well, but I don't know, for some reason I was feeling very uncomfortable with that decision. I don't know why I was feeling uncomfortable. I had no idea why it wasn't making me happy. Typically moving to a new house, looking for a new place for yourself should make you happy, but I just wasn't feeling very happy with that idea. And so one day Paritosh and I sat down and we started discussing about so many things about why I wasn't feeling happy with the whole change. And I realized that honestly I did not want to move to a bigger house. I realized that the only reason why we wanted to move to a bigger house was because traditionally that's what people do. You would want to live in like a 3 BHK or a place that's bigger than what my current place is like, but honestly there was no need for us to do that. It's just two of us and we're generally not home because both of us are working, doing our own stuff, and we come back only in the evenings, and there is enough place for two of us to do all the things that we want to do. There's a wonderful kitchen that we really like, and our bedroom, we've done it really nicely. The whole place is just perfect for us, and the only reason why we were considering moving to a bigger place was because I don't know, because that's what people do, and I was just not okay with that idea. I thought, why should we, go ahead and fit in that traditional bracket of, that we should live in a house which is at least a 3 BHK or a 2 BHK or whatever. And why shouldn't we be happy with what we have right now? And we just realized that this place makes us very, very happy. This has all the things that we really need. It's close to all of the marketplaces in Bangalore. It is the perfect size for two of us, so we don't have to do a lot of time. We don't have to spend a lot of time just tidying up the place, managing so many bedrooms and stuff like that. And with very limited space, there is very limited responsibility in the house, so that gave us a lot of time to focus on other things as well. And the biggest reason that sort of struck me was that when we moved to a bigger house, of course we would be paying significant more rent than what we're paying right now. And then I just did a quick calculation of the amount of rent that I would save in a year by not moving to a bigger house and sticking to this house, and it was a lot of money. And I realized that in that kind of money I can possibly travel to 2 different countries in this year itself. So why not use all of that money traveling to a place instead of just having 2 idle rooms in our house? So yeah, so eventually we just finally made a decision to stick to this house. So now that we decided to stick around to this house, we decided on buying a few things to make our lives a little bit more comfortable here. Initially we had actually not invested in a lot of stuff here. We only bought the bare necessary essential things. This was because we always knew that this place wasn't going to be like a permanent place for us. We would eventually be moving to a bigger house, and I'd obviously want to buy stuff according to the bigger house where we would typically want to spend a few years of our lives. But now that we decided that this is the place that we want to stick around to, we decided on buying a lot of stuff. So we didn't obviously buy a lot of stuff. We just bought things that would make our lives a little bit better. So we invested in a dining table, which I'm sure a lot of you would have seen in a lot of my recent videos. We also invested in a couch. Now couch was a difficult decision because not investing in a couch was a conscious choice that we made a couple of months back when we were buying stuff for this house. But I think I just like the idea of having a couch to sometimes lounge around, and even when we were hosting people and having guests over, and especially like parents and stuff, people from family, it was just a lot more comfortable for people in the older age group to sit on a couch than actually sitting down, because it takes a lot of effort to sit down and stand up. So yeah, so we decided to invest in a couch as well, and to make our living room look a little bit more interesting, we also invested in a small side table. All these three things will be shared with you in my recent updated home tour video, where I'm going to be sharing how is it that I've redecorated the entire house and stuff. But for now, I'm going to be showing you all the other decorative items that I've bought from Home Center. So now that the dining table, the couch and the side table was in place, I wanted to sort of, you know, buy some stuff to make all of these three things look really beautiful. So invested in some cushions, some stuff to keep on the side table and things. So all of that is what I'm going to share with you in today's video. I'm going to show you the different things that I bought, but you will notice that in my video I have a little bit of a turquoise obsession going on right now. So most of the things that I've bought are in the shade teal, turquoise or white. So yeah, it's a little bit of an obsession, but I think this is the color that we want to go ahead with. This is something that both Paritosh and I really like. So yeah, that's all that I wanted to share with you before starting the video. So let's begin with the stuff that I bought for my house. So the first thing that I got is this beautiful white colored candle. I'm not sure if you will be able to see it, but yeah, this is the candle here. This is from Home Center and it's in the scent vanilla. It's a beautiful smelling candle. Oh my god, it smells like vanilla ice cream. I love how this candle is. It's very simple. It doesn't have any fancy design going on it, and it completely agrees with the kind of aesthetic that I generally prefer. You know, I prefer plain colors and solid colors, and especially whites are my absolute favorites. I got this for 249 rupees from Home Center, and I think it's a pretty steal of a deal because it's a really huge candle with a wonderful scent, and it's only for 249 rupees, so that's crazy. So the next thing that I bought is this mat. This is a really beautiful mat with a lot of Indian style design on it. It's turquoise and sort of creamish grey color in its look and feel. It's made of Rexin. It's a very synthetic material. I wanted to sort of keep this as a mat for keeping a lot of stuff on my table. So this is going to be like a table mat for me. Actual purpose of this is it's supposed to be like a dining table mat, but I'm going to use this as a mat to keep a lot of stuff. Like I have a lot of shooting equipment that I keep around that area, so I would be very happy to keep it on this because I think it will go really well on like a white background. So this is what I bought. I got this one single piece for 100 rupees, and I think that's again a steal of a deal for the quality that it is actually. So the next thing I got is this. This is a mug which I'm again going to be keeping on top of my side table. It says My Brew Unlimited Happy Hours. I like how beautifully white it is, and I like this whole design that's going on, and it's also signed by Ranveer Brar, who's one of my favorite celebrity chefs. I like the kind of recipes that he makes, and I really like that this is actually from his collection. I got two of these mugs actually for 99 rupees, and that I thought was a crazy deal because the MRP of this is 599, but because I ended up buying so much stuff from Home Center, I got two of these for 99 rupees only. I absolutely love how this is. It's very simple, it's very clean looking, and it completely goes with my kind of aesthetic. Okay, so the next thing that I bought is this. This is a beautiful turquoise color plain blanket, and it's so soft, guys. It feels really soft against the skin. It's a beautiful color as well. So this is something that I would be happy to keep as a comforter on my couch, and my couch is again creamish white in color, so this goes really well with it. I really like how the feel of this is. I got this for 1000 bucks from Home Center, and I think again for the quality that it offers and the kind of softness that this whole thing has, it's again not so much of an expensive deal. I'm sure I would have gotten something like this for way cheaper on Amazon, but I didn't want to compromise on the quality of this one because this is the first thing that kind of pops out of my couch, because it's everything around is kind of plain and white, and this is something that adds a blast of color to the whole living room. So I wanted this to be of the best of quality. So yeah, this is what I invested in. Do let me know how you guys liked it. I absolutely love how soft and beautiful it is. Ever since I got this, I have been sitting on my couch with this on me and doing a lot of my work there. I completely love this thing. So the next thing that I got was this cushion with the cover. It's a very beautiful turquoise colored cushion with white detailing on it. If you see, this is very simple, just a plain shade with white lines on it, and I love how this cushion looks. It goes really well with the creamish white color of the couch that we have. And the another thing that I really liked about this was the size of it. It goes very well with the 3-seater couch that we've got. We invested in a tiny couch. We didn't buy a really big one because we're just 2 people and we host very few people over the weekends and stuff, very close friends only. So it seemed like a perfect size. We didn't want to buy a bulky couch that would make our entire house feel very stuffy. So we got a tiny one, and this cushion cover goes really well with that entire, you know, area of the couch. So I got this thing for $5.99, the cushion with the cushion cover, and I thought it was a really decent deal. I had seen like cheaper stuff on Amazon, but I just didn't feel like buying such important things without actually feeling and, you know, looking at them. So I went to Home Center, and that's where I got this. The other cushion, so the layout that I have planned for the couch is 2 of these pillows along with 2 other pillows in the shade grey. So this is the second pillow, and together these 2 look really beautiful. I think the color combination also goes very well. It's grey with it's a very night kind of a grey, like a night sky grey or like a slate grey with a snowflake white detailing design on it, and I find it very beautiful. I feel it gives a very nice, comfortable, cozy vibe to the whole place. So these 2 together go really well. I got this again for 5.99 rupees, the cushion with the cushion cover. So yeah, these 2 together, 2 of these and 2 of these on my couch, I think it looks really beautiful. And to add a little bit more detailing, I also have a tiny cushion that I'm going to keep on the couch. This is grey in color again and kind of goes with the whole grey and turquoise theme. The main reason why I bought this was because it was like a nice, comfortable, tiny size and goes very well with, you know, against these big pillows. So this, I got this, the cushion with the cushion cover for 3.99 rupees, and I thought it was again not a really bad deal, and so very happy to buy it. So this covers up for all the cushions that I want to have on my couch. Now moving on to the things that I would want to sort of keep on my side table. The first thing is going to be this candle. The second thing is going to be this mug. Besides both of these, I want to keep some books on like a really rustic looking blue colored box that I have. And I also wanted, because I love flower pots and flowers, so I decided to get like a really nice flower pot with some flowers in it. Let me show you that. So this is the flower pot that I bought from Home Center. Again, it's in the same shade. As you can clearly see, I have a weird obsession with this turquoise color and white color going on right now, but I absolutely love how this this thing feels. It's beautifully turquoise and has a nice white detailing on it. The MRP, I still have it here. It was 13.99, but I got this at 50% discount, so I got this at 650 rupees, which I thought was a steal of a deal for something that's this big and goes so well with the whole color combination that I have going on right now. I was very happy with this purchase. I got this from Home Center. I had seen something very similar to this on Amazon as well, but it wasn't, I just didn't feel very comfortable buying it from Amazon. I wanted to look and feel and, you know, actually see the things before actually investing in them. So along with this one, I'm going to be putting some flowers in this, and I thought of buying fresh flowers, like I thought of buying fresh flowers regularly, but then I thought that would actually get too hectic, and I don't like seeing flowers dying at the end of 2 or 3 days. So we decided on investing in some artificial flowers. Let me show you the ones that I got. So these are the white flowers that I bought that I really want to sort of put in this flower pot, and I think it goes very well with the theme of my entire space. So if you see, this is how the whole flower pot with the flowers is going to look, and I think it's very pretty. All these flowers are actually very good in quality, as they were definitely a little expensive. I got one of these, like one strand with 3 flowers on it, for 2.99 rupees. Similarly, I got 3 of these. I got 3 separate strands, and together this whole unit looks really pretty to me. This was, I think, my most expensive purchase. According to me, everything else was really value for money. This I'm not too sure, but I like how it makes the whole space feel, so I ended up buying it. I didn't think too much about it, because in the end I was happy with how everything else was kind of fitting into my budget. This was the only thing that went a little overboard, but I was happy because it kind of goes very well with the whole theme. Now to keep below the couch, so there's going to be a couch here and there's going to be a side table here. Now to keep below the couch, below that area, I wanted to get a nice rug, like a nice rug runner sort of a thing. So I got this one from Home Center. If you can clearly see, we have been using this for the last 5 days, and because it's white in color, it's kind of gotten a little dirty. I'm going to be putting this to wash. I think this will need washing every Sunday, like every week, but I'm very happy with how this looks. It's so beautiful, again goes very well with the whole theme, and I got this for a steal of a deal. The whole rug, which is pretty big in size, if you see here, this whole rug, like it's pretty long and covers the entire, you know, the entire space of my couch. Like it covers the entire base of it. It's really long, and I got this only for 700 rupees, guys. Imagine such a beautiful thing that goes so well with my theme and everything, and I got this only for 700 rupees. I couldn't have been happier. So because I had gotten all of these things and I was kind of looking for a runner that would go with the theme, and I was a little skeptical that, well, I wasn't sure if I would find something that was exactly, you know, going to match all the other things, because I was lucky to find everything else that was sort of fitting very well into the theme. So I was very happy when I got this, and I got this at such a cheap price. So I was very happy. Okay, so this covers up for everything that I want to sort of place around my couch area. Now there's one small thing that I bought for the dining table, which are just table mats. Again, they're in the same similar kind of a theme. It's not turquoise exactly, but it's white with a lot of colors on it, and I think it goes well with the dining table that I have. I got 6 of these for 399 rupees from Home Center, so I thought that was a pretty decent deal, and the quality of the product is also very good. I think it's very nice and colorful, gives a nice blast of color to the whole dining experience. I wanted to get something floral first, but I think there isn't a lot of floral happening here. Most of the things are just geometric or plain. So with that theme in mind, I think this particular one was going really well. Now the last thing that I want to show you is not related to any of the things that I've already shown you. This is just a doormat that I found in a Korean store that's opened in the Phoenix Mall in Bangalore recently, and it was so cute that I just couldn't stop myself from buying, and it was on 50% discount as well. So I thought it was a pretty decent deal. I got this one here, this one. It's so cute. It says today is your day, and I am going to keep this right outside my washroom, and I think it's very cute with like a dolphin on it, and the color is so beautiful, and I just like how this whole thing feels. Plus the material is really nice. It kind of goes in. It's very soft in the whole thing, and I think it's very different from the kind of, you know, foot mats that I generally find in the market. So I was very happy with this. It is from a Korean store. I got this for 200 rupees. Again, I think it was a pretty steal of a deal. So yeah, that's all that I got to decorate my place, and the final product is going to be in front of your eyes very soon when I do the updated home tour. I'm sure you guys are going to like it, because it's going to be a very plain, simple kind of a decor, but it kind of, the whole thing together is coming out really well. Do let me know how you liked all of the products that I got, and if you think the pricing and everything was pretty nice. I will put the links to all of the products that I can possibly find in the description box below, but because I bought all of these things from a store, I'm not sure if everything's going to be available online as well. But if you live in metro cities then, and you have a Home Center store anywhere in your city, then you should definitely visit it. I'm sure you'll be able to find all of these things there. So yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know how excited are you to see the updated living room tour, and I'll be super happy to make it very soon. So that's it. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.